Hi, our next topic is solution of a quadratic equation by factorization method. So let's consider a quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So if you want to find the roots of the equation by trial and error method, let's substitute x is equal to 1. We get 2 into 1 whole square minus 3 into 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2 minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 1 is root of given quadratic equation. So x equal to 1 is root of the given equation. So this is by trial and error method, but you cannot always use trial and error method to find solution. So what you can do is you can find solution using quadratic factorization method. So if you are given 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, find two numbers p comma q such that p plus q is equal to b and p into q is equal to a into c. If equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c. Here in this equation a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, c is equal to 1. So p plus q should be b, which is minus 3, and pq should be equals to a into c, which is 2 into 1, which is equal to 2. So first let's find factors of this number 2, which will be equal to 1 and 2. 1 into 2 is 2, and this is 1, and minus 1 into minus 2 is also 2. So if you see here, 1 plus 2 is 3, which is not equal to p plus q. Minus 1 plus minus 2 is minus 3, which is equal to p plus q. So these are our required numbers. Now let's use minus 2 and minus. Let's split minus 3x as minus x minus 2x. Now 2x square minus 3x plus 1 can be written as 2x square minus x minus 2x plus 1. If you further here you can take x common, so it will be 2x into 2x minus 1. Here you can take minus 1 common, you get 2x minus 1. So now you are grouping together, you get x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. So this is equal to 0. That means x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Either of the term can be 0, or they both can be 0 at a time. So x minus 1 is equal to 0 gives x is equal to 1, and 2x minus 1 is equal to gives x equal to 1 by 2. So these two are the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Let's solve one more example. Example 3. Find the roots of the equation 2x square minus 5x plus 3. Here p plus q is equal to b is equal to minus 5, and pq is equal to ac is equal to 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. Let's write the factors. Six factors are 1, 2, 3, 6. So you take two numbers from this factor such that sum is equal to minus 5 and product is equal to 6. If you observe, you can take 2 and 3, but 2 plus 3 is 5. Here b is minus 5, so you can take minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2 plus minus 3 is minus 5, and minus 2 into minus 3 is 6. So these two numbers met our condition. So what you can do is 2x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. That means 2x into x minus 1 minus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 3 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. One solution is x equal to 1 and other solution is x equal to 3 by 2. So these two are the roots of the quadratic equation. Let's solve next question. Find the roots of the equation. Fourth example. Find the roots of the equation x minus 1 by 3x is equal to 1 by 6, x not equals to 0. So let's take LCM. Here you get 3x square minus 1 by 3x is equal to 1 by 6. So if you cross multiply, you get 18x square minus 6 is equal to 3x. So 18x square minus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now find two numbers p comma q such that p plus q is equal to minus 3 and pq is equal to 18 into 6. 18 into 6. 6 is the 48. 6 108. This is equal to 108. Now find all the factors of 108. 108 factors is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, it goes with 4 also. 4, 5, 6 goes with 6 also. 7, 8. Let's check with 8. 8 it won't go. 9, 10, 11, 12. In 9 table it goes. 9, 12, and 18. Next is divided with 4, you get 108 by 4 is 4 2s are 27. So next is 27. 4 with the 3 36, comma with 2 54, comma 108. So from all these factors choose two factors such that sum is equal to minus 3 and product is equal to 108. If you observe, you can take 9 and 12. 9 12 minus 12 plus 9 is minus 3. So minus 12 plus 9 is equal to minus 3, and minus 12 into, sorry, here product is 18 into minus 6 is minus 108. So 12 into 9 is minus 108. So these two numbers met our condition. Now 18x square minus 3x, you can write as minus 12x plus 9x minus 6 is equal to 0. So you can take 6 common here. 6x into 3x minus 2 plus 3 into 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So 6x plus 3 into 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So our solutions are x equals to minus 3 by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 2, or x is equal to 2 by 3. These two are the roots of the given equation. Next, fifth example. Find the width of the space for spectators discussed in section 5.1. In section 5.1 about on Cocoa Court, we got one equation which is 2x square plus 45x minus plus 45x minus 47 is equal to 0. This is the equation we got in section 5.1. Now to find the roots of the equation, what can you do is find two numbers. P plus q should be equals to 45 and pq should be equals to 2 into minus 47, which is 94. Now find the roots of 94. Sorry, factors of 94 is equal to 1, 2, and 3 it won't go, 4 it won't go, 5 it won't go, 6 it won't go. Let's check with 6. 6 also it won't go. 7, but it goes with 47 and 94. So these two are the required numbers, because 47 minus 2 is 45. 47 into 2 is 94. So let's say 47 minus 2 is equal to 45, and 47 into minus 2 is minus 94. So 2x square plus 45x minus 47 is equal to 2x square plus 47x minus 2x minus 47 is equal to 2x of 2x plus 47 minus 1 of 2x plus 47. So implies 2x plus 47 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. That means x equals to 1 is one root and x is equal to minus 47 by 2 is another root. That's all. Exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2. First bit, first question. Find the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization. X square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So let roots find two numbers such that p plus q is equal to minus 3 and pq is equal to 1 into minus 10, which is equal to minus 10. So Find two numbers. Let's write factors of 10. 10 factors is equals to 1, 2, 5, 10. If you observe, we can take minus 5 plus 2. So minus 5 plus 2 is minus 3, and minus 5 into 2 is minus 2. So x square, these two numbers. So x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to x square minus 5x minus plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x into x minus 5 into plus 2 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. So x plus 2 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. So therefore x is equal to minus 2 and 5 are the roots of the equation. Second one, third one, root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So find two numbers, p plus q is equal to 7 and pq is equals to root 2 into 5 root 2, which is equals to 10. Now 10 factors are 10 factors is equal to 1, 2, 5, 10. Product sum should be equal to 7 and product is 10. So these two numbers 2 and 5. 2 plus 5 is 7 and 2 into 5 is 10. So root 2 x square. So root 2 x square plus 7x you can write it as 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So you can take root 2x common here, you get x plus root 2 plus you can take 5 common here, you get x plus root 2 equal to 0. So here root 2x plus 5 into x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Implies x is equal to minus 5 by root 2 comma minus root 2 are solutions of this quadratic equation. Let's do one more question. Ninth one. 3 into x minus 4 whole square minus 5 into x minus 4 is equal to 12. So first let's expand this. 3 into x square plus 16 minus 8x minus 5x plus 20 is equal to 12. So 3x square minus 8 3 minus 24x 16 3 is 48 plus 48 minus 5x plus 8 is equal to 20 minus 12 is 8 equal to 3x square 24x minus 12 minus 29x 48 plus 8 is 56 plus 56 is equal to 0. 56 is equal to 0. So now what you can do is find two numbers p comma q such that p plus q is equal to minus 29 and pq is equal to 3 into 56 is equal to 168. So what you can do is find factors of 168. 168 factors is equal to 1, 2, 3. Does it go with 3? Yeah, it goes with 3. 4. Yeah, it goes with 4 also. 5 won't go. 6. 6 2s are 12. 48. Yeah, it goes with 6. 8 table. 8 also it will go. 8. 9. Let's check with 9 table. 9 ones are 9. 78. No, it won't go with 9. 10, 11, 12. 12 table. Yeah, it goes with 12 table. 12 into 6. No, not 6. 12 into 14. 12 4s are 48. 12 and that goes, so it is 168. It goes with 14. 14. 8, 21. 21 8s are 168. And so on. If you observe, you can take 8 and 21. So minus 8 minus 21 is minus 29 and minus 8 into minus 21 is 168. So you can take 8 and 21. So you can write it as 3x square minus 8x minus 21x minus 21x plus 60 plus 56 is equal to 0. So what you can do is you can take x common here. X into 3x minus 8 minus 7 into 3x minus 8 equal to 0. So x minus 7 into 3x minus 8 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to 7 and x is equal to 8 by 3 are roots of this equation. Let's solve next question. Second question. Find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Let a comma b be two numbers. So sum is 27. A plus b is equal to 27 and ab is equal to 182. So from this you can write b is equal to 27 minus a. So ab is equal to 182. Substitute this in this equation, you get 27 minus a into 27 minus a is equal to 182. So 27a minus a square is equal to 182. So a square minus 27a plus 182 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. So what you can do here is, let's find factors of 27. 182 factors is equals to 1, 2, 1 into 8, 182, 2 into 91. Does it work? No, it won't go with 3 and 4. 5, 6 also it won't go. 7, 7 2s are 14. Here it will go to with 7. 7 2s are 14, 62. 26. 7 into 26 is 182. Next one is 9. With 9 it won't go. 12 also it won't go with 12. And 14, let's check with 14 ones are 14, 14 threes are 42. So 14 into 13. 14 into 13 is 182. If you observe 14, minus 14 plus minus 13 is minus 27, and minus 14 into minus 13 is 182. You can take minus negative version of this. So you can write this equation: a square minus 14a minus 13a plus 182 is equal to 0. So a of a minus 14 to minus 13 of a minus 14 is equal to 0. So a minus 13 into a minus 14 is equal to 0. Therefore a is equal to 13 or a is equal to 14. In first condition, if a is equal to 13, b is equal to 27 minus 13 is equal to 14. If a is equal to 14, b will be 27 minus 14 is equal to 13. So 13 comma 14 are required numbers. So third question. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 613. At n comma n plus 1 be two consecutive positive integers. So n square plus n plus 1 whole square is equal to 613. Plus n square plus 2n plus 1 is equal to 613. So 2n square plus 2n minus 612 is equal to 0, or n square plus n minus 306 is equal to 0. So you have to find factors of 306. 306 factors is equal to 1 it goes, 2 also it goes, 3 also it goes. So 1 into 306, 2 into 153, 3 into 102. It will go with, it won't go with 4. 5 also it won't go. 6 into 51. In 7 table, 7 4 0, they know it won't go. 8 table, 8 also it won't go. 9 also it won't go. 10 it won't go. 11 also it won't go. 11 12 table, 12 2s are 24, 66 it won't go. 12 13, let's check with 13. 13 2s are 26, 46, no it won't go. Next it will go with 17. 17 into 18. If you observe 17 plus 17, 18 minus 17 is 1, and 18 into 17 is minus 17 is 306. Therefore n square plus 18n minus 17n minus 306 equal to 0. N into n plus 18 minus 17 into n minus 18, n plus 18 is equal to 0. So n minus 17 into n plus 18 is equal to 0. Therefore n is equal to 17 comma minus 18 are two numbers. So if n is equal to 17, you get n plus 1 is equal to 18. Or if n is equal to minus 18, you get n plus 1 is equal to minus 17. So these are the numbers 17, 18 or minus 17, minus 18 are the required numbers. That's all. Fourth question. The altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 centimeters less than its base. The hypotenuse is 30 centimeters. Find other two sides. So the base is equal to x. Then altitude will be equals to 7 centimeters less than its base, x minus 7, and hypotenuse hypotenuse is equal to 13 centimeters. Using quadratic equation, you can from hypotenuse square 13 square is equal to base square plus altitude square. You get x square plus 49 minus 14x is equal to 13 square is 169. So 2x square minus 14x. If you subtract 169 from 14, you get minus 120 is equal to 0. Or x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. 12 into 5 is 60, and minus 12 plus 5 is minus 7. So you can write it as x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. So x into x minus 12 plus 5 into x minus 12 is equal to 0. So x minus 12 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. Side cannot be negative number, so x equal to 12 is the solution for this equation. X is equal to 12, base is equal to 12 centimeters, and altitude will be equals to 12 minus 7 equals to 5 centimeters. That's all. Fifth question. The cottage industry produces certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article is 3 more than twice of number of articles produced. So let number of articles produced be x. So cost of production will be twice, 3 more than twice the number of articles. So it is twice 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. If the total cost of the production on the day was 90, find the number of articles. So x into 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. So 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. So what you can do here is 2 into, find two numbers p, q such that p plus q is equals to 3 and pq is equal to minus 180. If you observe, you can take 12, 15, 12 and 12 and minus 15, minus 12, 15. So you can write 2x square, 3x can be written as plus 15x minus 12x minus 90 is equal to 0. So 2x of x plus, so not 2x, x of 2x plus 15 minus 6 of 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. So x minus 6 into 2x plus 15 is equal to 0. X cannot be a decimal number, so x is equal to 6 is solution. If x is equal to 6, these are equal to number of articles is equal to number of articles. And cost of production will be equals to 2x plus 3, which is equal to 2 into 6 plus 3, 6 to the 12, 12 plus 5 is 15. It will be 15. That's all. Sixth question. Find the dimensions of a rectangle whose perimeter is 28 meters. 2 into L plus B is equal to 28, implies L plus B is equal to 14, and whose area is 40. LB is equal to 40. So what you can do here is, you can write B is equal to 14 minus L. So substitute this in this equation, you get 14 minus L. L into 14 minus L is equal to 40. So minus L square plus 14L is equal to 40, or L square minus 14L plus 40 is equal to 0. 10 into 4 is 40. So minus 10 plus minus 4 is minus 40. So L square minus 10L minus 4L plus 40 is equal to 0. So L into L minus 10 minus 4 into L minus 10 is equal to 0. So L minus 4 into L minus 10 is equal to 0. L is equal to 4 comma 10 are solution. b is equal to 14 minus L. If L is equal to 4, b will be 10, or if L is equal to 10, b will be 4. These two are the required solution. Next is seventh question. The base of a triangle is 4 cm longer than altitude. Let base is equal to altitude is equal to x. Base will be equals to 4 cm longer than altitude. So x plus 4. Area of the triangle is 48 square centimeter. Area of the triangle is half into base into altitude, which is equal to 48 is equal to half into x plus 4. So 48 to the 96 is equal to x square plus 4x, or x square plus 4x minus 96 is equal to 0. So 12 into 8 is 96. What are you going to do? X square plus 12x minus 8x minus 96 is equal to 0. So x into x plus 12 minus 8 into x plus 12 is equal to 0. X minus 8 into x plus 12 is equal to 0. So x equals to 8 is the answer. If x is equal to 8, base will is equal to altitude. Base will be equals to x plus 4, which is equals to 8 plus 4 is equal to 12 centimeters. Now 8th question. Two trains leave a railway station at same time. The first train travels towards west and second train towards north. First train travels 5 kilometers per hour faster than second train. So speed of second train T2 is equal to x. Speed train 1 will be equals to 5 plus x plus 5. If after 2 hours they are 50 kilometers apart. One is going to west and one is going to west north. So after some time, 2 hours, it is 50 kilometers apart. So the distance traveled by first train will be equals to velocity speed x into time, 2 hours, is equal to d1. d2 will be equals to 2 into x plus 5. Now d1 square plus d2 square is equal to 50 square. So 2x whole square plus 2 into x plus 5. X plus 5 whole square is equal to 50 square. So 4x square plus 4x square plus 25 into 4 is 100. Into 10 to the 20 plus 20x is equal to 2500. So 8x square plus 20x minus 2400 is equal to 0. Or you can write 2x square plus 5x minus 600 is equal to 0. Sorry, this is 40x. So 40x, what you can divide it with 8. So x square plus 5x minus 300 is equal to 0. 5 is equal to 0. So 15 into 20 is 300. What you can do is x square plus 20x minus 15x minus 300 is equal to 0. Implies x plus 20 into x minus 15 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 15 comma minus 20. So speed of first train is 15. Second train speed will be x plus 5, which is equal to 20 kilometers per hour. That's all. Ninth question. In a class of 60 students, each boy contributed rupees equal to number of girls. The number of boys is equal to x. So number of girls will be equals to 60 minus x. Contributed equal to 7. The total money they then collected was 1600. That means total money will be x number of boys into amount collected by each boy is 60 minus x, plus number of girls is 60 minus x into amount collected by each girl is x. This will be equals to 1600. So 2 into 2x into 60 minus x is equal to 1600. We cancel, you get 800. So minus x square plus 60x is equal to 800. So x square minus 60x plus 800 is equal to 0. 40 into 20 is 800. So x square minus 40x minus 20x plus 800 is equal to 0. Right? So x minus 40 into x minus 20 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 20, x is equal to 40 are solutions. If boys is equal to 20, girls will be 40 in first case. If boys is equal to 40, then girls will be equal to 20 in second case. 10th question. A motorboat heads upstream a distance of 24 kilometers on a river whose current is running at 3 km per hour. The trip up and back takes 6 hours. Assuming that the motorboat maintained a constant speed, what was its speed? The speed of stream B. Assuming that the motorboat maintained a constant speed. Speed of boat is equal to x. So T1 will be 24 by upstream it will be, for upstream it will be 24 by x minus 3. For downstream it will be T2 is equal to 24 by x plus 3. So total time is given, it is 6 hours. 6 is equal to T1 plus T2, which is equal to 24 by x minus 3 plus 24 by x plus 3. So 6 is equal, you can cancel 6 ones are 6 4 are 6 4 are. So 1 is equal to 4 into x plus 3 plus 4 into x minus 3 by x minus 3 into x plus 3. So it is equal to x square minus 9 is equal to 4x plus 12 plus 4x minus 12. 12 gets cancelled. So x square minus 8x minus 9 is equal to 0. This is simple. 9 into 1 is minus 9 into 1 is minus 9, and minus 9 plus 1 is minus 8. So x square minus 9x plus 1x minus 9 is equal to 0. So x equal to 9 comma minus 1 are solutions of this equation. Solution of this equation. Since the speed of stream it cannot be negative, x equal to minus 1 is ruled out. So x equals to 9 is the required answer.